This video focuses on the troubleshooting guide for the E2 problem of the front-loading washing machine. Course summary. E2 alarm means that the door switch of washing machine alarms. The reason for this problem is that the front door of the washing machine is not closed properly. Solution. First, check whether the front door of the washing machine is closed. Close the front door again. Then press the Start Pass key to check whether E2 disappears. If the above instructions still fail to solve the problem, please contact our higher customer service.